Installing a new hose on a P&R Bridge faucet. Once you've turned the main water source off and disconnected the water supply from the base of the cold side, remove the rinse connector that is located on the cold side by unscrewing from here. Once removed, insert the male end of the hose into the rinse connector and spin the rinse connector to make the connection. Do not spin the hose to make this connection, as it can cause kinks. Once this is screwed on completely, then reconnect the rinse connector to the base of the cold side and reattach.